Replacing your home's windows may not be the first home improvement project on your mind, but it's one that offers substantial benefits. In Colombia, where residents face hot, humid summers and cooler winters, upgrading your windows can transform your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and overall value. Here are the top benefits of replacing your residential windows in Colombia and why this investment is worth considering. Enhanced energy efficiency and lower utility bills. One of the most immediate and noticeable benefits of replacing old windows is improved energy efficiency. Older windows, especially those with single panes or worn-out seals, allow air to escape and can lead to higher energy bills. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you can reduce your energy consumption and save money. Better insulation. New windows often come with double or triple pane glass, low emissivity coatings, and insulating gas fills that reduce heat transfer, keeping your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. Reduced HVAC usage. With better insulated windows, your heating and cooling systems don't need to work as hard, which can lower your utility costs and extend the lifespan of your HVAC equipment. Improved comfort throughout your home. Drafty windows can lead to uncomfortable hot and cold spots in your home. Replacing your windows helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature and reduces the impact of Colombia's varying climate. Elimination of drafts. Properly installed, high-quality windows eliminate air leaks, creating a more comfortable indoor environment. Noise reduction. Modern windows provide better sound insulation, blocking out street noise and creating a quieter, more peaceful home. Increased home value and curb appeal. Replacing your windows is one of the most effective ways to enhance your home's curb appeal and increase its resale value. New windows give your home a fresh, updated appearance that can make a lasting impression on potential buyers. Modern designs. Choose from a variety of window styles, colors, and finishes to match your home's aesthetic and boost its overall appearance. Higher market value. According to industry studies, window replacements often provide a high return on investment, ROI, making your home more appealing to buyers and potentially leading to a higher resale price. Better home security. Old windows may be easy targets for intruders, especially if they lack secure locking mechanisms or are made from weak materials. New windows come with enhanced security features that make your home safer. Advanced locking systems. Many modern windows feature multi-point locking systems, making them more difficult to force open. Durable materials. New windows are often constructed with reinforced frames and impact-resistant glass, providing additional protection against break-ins and severe weather. Reduced maintenance requirements. Older windows often require frequent maintenance, such as painting, sealing, or repairing warped frames. New windows are designed with low-maintenance materials that save you time and effort. Weather-resistant materials. Vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum frames are resistant to moisture, warping, and fading, reducing the need for upkeep in Colombia's humid climate. Easy cleaning. Many modern windows are designed with tilt-in or removable sashes, making cleaning both the interior and exterior surfaces much more convenient. UV protection for your interior. Colombia's sunny climate can lead to sun damage inside your home, fading your furniture, flooring, and decor. New windows with UV blocking coatings help protect your interior from the sun's harmful rays. Preserve your furnishings. By reducing UV exposure, new windows help maintain the color and quality of your interior furnishings, flooring, and artwork. Health benefits. UV blocking windows also reduce your family's exposure to harmful ultraviolet rays while still allowing natural light to enter. Eco-friendly and sustainable living. Replacing your old windows with energy-efficient models can contribute to a more sustainable and environmentally friendly lifestyle. By using less energy to heat and cool your home, you reduce your carbon footprint. Lower energy consumption. Energy-efficient windows reduce your reliance on non-renewable energy sources, supporting sustainability efforts. Recyclable materials. Many modern windows are made from recyclable materials, making them a greener choice for environmentally conscious homeowners. Increased natural light. Modern window designs often feature larger glass areas that allow more natural light into your home. This can create a brighter, more inviting atmosphere and reduce the need for artificial lighting. Enhanced ambiance. Natural light improves the mood and makes spaces feel more open and welcoming. Energy savings. By relying less on artificial lighting, you can reduce your electricity usage and save on energy costs. Professional installation for maximum benefit. When you choose professional window replacement, you can trust that your windows will be installed correctly, ensuring optimal performance and durability. Expert fit. Professional installers ensure a snug fit, eliminating air leaks and maximizing energy efficiency. Warranty coverage. Many new windows come with warranties that provide peace of mind and protect your investment. Final thoughts. Replacing your residential windows in Colombia offers a wide range of benefits, from lower energy bills and improved comfort to enhanced security and curb appeal. Whether you're looking to upgrade your home's appearance, increase its value, or create a more comfortable living space, new windows are a smart investment that pays off in many ways. Trust a professional window installer to help you choose the best options for your home and enjoy the lasting benefits of this worthwhile upgrade.